How to apply for Apple credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can apply for Apple credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Apple Wallet. Then tap on the plus button on the top right. After you tap on it, there you'll see different options. What you'll need to do is tap on apply for Apple card. After you tap on it, tap on continue. You can also check the rate and terms from the below option. So after you tap on continue, you'll be guided or taken to your application where you will need to give in your personal information. So from here, carefully check and add your information, then tap on next. After that, you'll need to review and check your offered credit limit and APR. Then you'll need to accept your offer and then you'll get your card. And that's basically how you do it, guys. All you have to do is just use your Apple Wallet to do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.